करेगा, ऐसा मेरा पक्का विश्वास।
Meghalaya recorded 496 crimes committed against children in 2022, according to data by the National Crime Records Bureau. There were 371 crimes committed under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act, 104 of which were in East Khasi Hills. Meghalaya recorded some 89 cases of child abduction in 2022, with East Khasi Hills 35 and West Garo Hills 27. Being the most affected, children make up the majority of kidnap cases, with only 50 more comprising adult victims. There were also 73 cases of kidnapping in the whole of Meghalaya, 28 of whom were missing out but deemed as kidnapped. Other heinous crimes included 13 cases of procuring minor girls, of which 12 alone were in West Garo Hills, and 3 instances of child murder. The state